Hi everyone, welcome to Liminoid. This video we are going to walk through what is mutability in Rust and how actually we have to make something mutable. So let us start on it. So first we are going to create a project with name mutability for understanding. So we are going to do cargo new mutability. So this will create a new project for us, mutability. So this is the main file which is created with, I think you already know. Now we are going to create a variable and suppose we are going to assign the value 6 to it. So what if I want to change a to something else? What if suppose I want to do a equal to 7, right? So if you see, this is actually going to give error and it won't be able to change the value of a. So right now it is not giving error. Let us actually run the code because I think there is some issue with configuration or Visual Studio. So suppose if I do cargo run, so you can see in the terminal, right? Cannot assign twice to immutable variable. So by default, all the variables are immutable. If I am not talking only about the six, it can be actually string, it can be vector, anything. All the variables by default are immutable. So when you have to make something mutable, right? So what you have to do is you have to do let mute of a equal to 6. So now a becomes mutable. Mutable means that you are actually able to change the value of a to something else, right? Now there is some other issue. Let us check what is the issue. Okay, there's a semicolon issue actually. So now you can see, right, 7 is printed. So the value of a is now 7. But let me tell you something. We cannot assign a to different data type. So suppose a's value is I32, a data type is I32, and let b equal to 7, and b is for example of type I64, and we assign a equal to b, and then we print a. So this is not going to run because data type of a and b are different. So mutability only means that your data type should be same when you are actually changing the value. If data type changes, then you won't be able to store one value into another, right? Because Rust is a statically typed language. So Rust should know all the variables statically, that okay, this is the storage which I have to give to any variable or anything, right? So I think that's it from the lecture. We will add one more example just for your clarity. So suppose A is a vector and if we are suppose pushing something to this A dot push uh, 4, so this is again going to give error. So if I run this code, you can see, right, again it is giving that A is not mutable. So we have to create A as mutable. After creating A as mutable, this code is going to run. So you can see, right, now vector is printed successfully. All right, so that is for this lecture. Next video I'm going to create on some another basic topic. Okay, subscribe more for more updates. Thank you.